Right, so before I head back to work, I'll just give you a quick recap on what I've been doing. Just finished this Spider-Man print. That came out really nice. So there's a bit of wall art there. So for the last few days, I've been reorganizing the way the printer is located. So I think I've nailed everything down now. So one of the earlier videos mentioned the home printed hub breaking, and I replaced that with a carbon fiber printed one, and that's been working out really well. So then I adjusted the tubes as well. My home printed 9 filament tube holder broke off there, so I used that as an opportunity to install this instead and loop the tubes over the top of the bar. So instead of having to come up at an angle, come in here, come up again, up and over and into the hub, now they just come out the back out of both the Ace Pro units, up through this and down pretty much straight into the top of the hub. And since I've done that, I've done a bunch of these prints. So I've done, let me show you some other stuff. So there's a dream catcher, large and small, and some, Betty Boop stuff, Smurfette, Poison Ivy. I've been printing a bunch of stuff on this, and some of that before I rerouted it, and some of it afterwards. Well, I had a couple of filament breakages in the tubes before I rerouted everything when it was coming through the side, but since I've done it, everything printing off has been perfect. Not one stoppage yet. Fingers crossed it'll stay that way. So I think what I've done, and I've raised up both of these units, and the reason for that was again to stop the tubes being twisted so much, because when these lower ones are down on the ground, they come out and then they've got to come up through this point here, and it's just putting some nasty bends into those things. So now that they're elevated, it's a lot smoother, as you can see, a lot smoother lines. So those are just 3 kilogram spools of filament, which I've just stacked it on top of for the moment. But my goal would be to find a nice, I don't know, set of drawers or something that I can put under there, and then I'll have some storage space as well. So that's just a temporary thing while I sort things out. But yeah, everything going good. So I'm going to go and head off to work. I'm going to leave another print running today. But I think I've got this nailed down nice and smooth. All right, folks, you have a good day.